What's going on YouTube? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick trick to starting your Ninja 250 after it's been sitting for a while. So this is a 2008 Ninja 250, and it's having trouble starting. It's been sitting for the winter. I left it on the battery tender, and I believe the fuel hasn't been changed for the season, but I still believe I can get it started. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to remove the side cover, and then there's another little side cover under that. That's going to expose the air filter, and then with that I'm going to spray a little bit of brake clean on it, and hopefully it'll start right up. For this job you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a number 5 Allen key. Alright, I'm going to start by first removing the side plastic. It's just one Phillips head screw. Once you get that screw out, you're going to have a pull pin behind here, and another one over on this side on the bottom. You're going to pop those out, and then another one up at the top. So when you take this off, there's going to be those 3 clips right there. All right, next you're going to see these 3 Allen keys right here. It's a number 5 metric. You're going to remove those. That's going to expose the air box. All right, once you have that removed, you'll see right here is the air filter, and that's the air box. All right, next you're just going to get brake clean, and you're going to spray it in the air box. Just a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and try to start it up and see if it starts right up. All right, so I just want to point something out to you guys. I used a little bit of brake cleaner here for this. You can use carb cleaners. There's other starter sprays you guys can use. This has just worked for me in the past, and to this day still works. All right, so that was just a little quick trick to get the bike running after it's been sitting for a while. I used just a little bit of brake cleaner and sprayed it in the air box. You don't have to soak it too much, just a little bit in there, spritz it in there. Try to start it up. If it starts, you can go ahead, throw your side cover on, and then you should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you guys are looking for more of this kind of content, fixing stuff, hit that subscribe button. I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to ride safe always, and have a good one.